welcome back to the Recipe Rookie. I've got a special guest today, my son, Jacob. Hello! Wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
The first guest ever of the Recipe Rookie. How do you feel?
Great.
Oh, but you've been on the show before, that's right.
Yeah.
We're teaming up today to make delicious, crispy and chewy chocolate chip cookies. I came to you and said, hey, I'd like to have a guest. I'd love you to be on the show. What could we make? And you came to me and said?
Cookies.
Why is it? Why did you say that?
Cooked them at school in facts, and I wanted to make better ones.
And for people at home, what is facts? Is it like, for my generation, I guess it's like home ec? Home economics, they call it, I guess. This chocolate chip recipe has been handed down in the Coleman generations and comes directly from my Aunt Patty. Jacob, are you ready to bake some cookies?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fun one, so stick around. Let's cook. What are the ingredients that we have? We have 2 3/4 cup of flour.
1 1/4 cups of packed dark brown sugar. 3/4 of a cup of sugar.
1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
2 1/2 sticks of butter.
2 eggs.
And we're gonna use a whole bag of chocolate chips from Nestle Toll House for that deliciously rich and creamy. I think we've got everything here. Let's start mixing.
We're gonna add the salt, baking soda, and baking powder to the flour.
Very nice. Look at that. Looks like that beautiful snow that we're not getting anymore. Now we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna bring over brown sugar bowl. With the brown sugar, now I'm gonna add the 2 1/2 sticks of butter. Wait, did I wash my hands?
A few moments later.
Now we can open the butter. All right, let's put that in. 1, 2. Ha ha ha. A friend of mine actually texted me and said, did your wife, was she at the fraternity party where I dressed up as Pee Wee Herman right here? That's me, 20-year-old Josh, and Pi Kappa Alpha at the fraternity party, dressed as Pee Wee Herman. He thought you were there, and that's why my wife thought I sounded like Pee Wee Herman. 2 1/2 sticks of butter are in. Now we're going to take this over to the mixer. Okay, here we are at a device I've never used before. Have you ever used this?
No.
Do you even know what it does?
Mixes.
We got the brown sugar in here with the butter. We're going to mix this all together until it's light and fluffy. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn it on without any help. Jacob, let's see. Oh, looks like over here we've got some speeds. What number speed should I do?
4.
Oh, you know 4?
I know.
All right. How's my shot? Oh, God. Whoa! Oh, that takes super fast. It's going to come out. Huh? Do I need to slow it down at all? Or? Okay. It sort of like clumped it. So, this is my mixer. How much do you think this is, Jacob?
$150.
$150. Try $350, son. This lasted 16 years. All right, we're gonna turn it off. Remember, we were on a 4. Okay. So then we pull it up. Jacob, when I was your age, I was so into Weird Al Yankovic. You're not?
No.
All right, we're gonna head back over to the table. All right, we've got a new position. I thought it would look better over here by our little seat. Do you like sitting, by the way? People don't like that I sit. We've mixed the brown sugar. Now we need Mr. Jacob here to crack some eggs, which, as we all know, I'm not very good at. So let's see if my son has better ability. Oh, trash? This is your trash. Oh, look at that!
Perfect.
He didn't even have to open it. All right, number 2. Oh, this is gonna be a show here. Ah. What is with your technique of like not opening it? It was their show.
A tiny bit.
A tiny bit. We gotta get that out. Great job on the eggs, by the way. I don't know if it was better than me.
I didn't blow it up.
We're now going to put this back here. I'm going to put it on a 1, stirring nicely. I'm going to take your eggs, thank you, by the way, and do 1 egg first. Oh. Okay, 1 at the same time. That doesn't work at all. Now, Jacob's going to add the vanilla. Right on the side of the bowl. Good job. Get those out of here. So we got everything in here. Okay, we're going to put in the flour. Do I scrape again? Okay. 1. Oh, I guess I don't need to count. Okay, I think I can do the rest from the bowl. Maybe one more. You want to do one?
Nah.
Alright. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Alright, you got it all in. Put it down and turning it on. Oh. Alright. Mixing. Okay, we're going to scrape again. Whoa! It has a good smell though, doesn't it? Okay, we're going to scrape the sides here. They should make it go further back so it's out of your way. Why don't they make it like that?
Because it's 20 years old.
We're going to start mixing again. Put it on, it's on 2. It immediately gets clumped on the thing I just scraped. All right, would you like to do the chocolate chips, sir?
Yeah.
All right, as it's moving, we're going to put it in. All right, so here we go. They're going to come flying out of my face.
You better dodge.
Oh, it's getting, what? It's like, uh-oh, it's alive! Slow it down. Okay, scrape. Oh yeah, that was a good one there. Okay. Oh. All right. So we're done with this. Let's go put this away. Okay. I will hold the bowl and you will mix. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, it ain't so easy. Now you want that machine, huh?
That's why we have it.
Looks good to me. What do you think?
It's good.
It looks pretty good. You want to try it? I want to try it. I'm going to try one with a little chocolate chip. That's good, isn't it? Next is scoop and bake, okay? We're going to use a scooper and scoop it out and put it on the baking pan. So I'm going to move this to the side. We're going to use Pam baking, I guess. And we're going to spray a little bit on the scooper so it's easier to get it out onto the pan. Ready? Oh, I missed totally. You ready? You want to do the first scoop? Sir. All right. Go ahead, scoop it. And do you know how to use a scooper?
Not really.
All right, we're going to do 5 per pan. Okay. Come on, little friend. Would you like to do the next one?
Yeah.
You can either do the corner or the middle. I got it. Push that button in.
I am.
Hold it down. All right. Oh, yeah, let's go. Well. Hold this. Maybe I need to do it. Oh, well. Okay. All right. In the middle. This one looks good. Let's put that off to the side. Pan number 2. All right. Oh, yeah, I can feel that pan now. I want to go middle first. Oh, shoot. Okay. Next. Oh. Forget that scooper full. We washed our hands. All right. Bang. Oh. Okay. Yep. Bang. Just like I feel like Pam's a scam. Okay. Feels good, does it? Is that weird? I'm sort of being a little bit more generous here because they're bigger.
You know they expand.
Oh. Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah.
Why do we use the baking sheet?
So it doesn't stick.
Why can't we use Pam?
It's a scam.
Pam is
Scam.
Oh, and we're done with that, and I think it's time to head to the oven. Okay, we're moving our way in the oven, but before we head over there, you can put on a sting glove for me. Jacob, what are we going to put the oven at?
350.
And we're going to do that for 15 minutes. So, I'm going to go the bottom one, actually. Oh, wait, I'm moving around. There we go. And then why don't you get that one right there? Be careful not to touch anything on the inside. Right here. Watch this hand. All right. So now, do you know we got to set a timer? You know who to talk to. Would you like to talk to my friend?
Yeah.
Go ahead, tell him.
Hey Google. Didn't even turn on.
What? Say it. Does it not hear your voice? Say it
Hey
again.
Google. Set a time of 15 minutes.
What is it, only trained to my voice now? Hey Google! Set a timer for 15 minutes.
I hear it in the other room.
What is wrong with you? Hold on, come over here. Hey Google, do I have a timer going on? Another device? No, I want you to talk here. Hey Google, I want you to talk here. Hey Google, I want the timer at this one. No, I want the timer on this device. Why is it talking over there? What? All right, I'm done. You're done. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes now.
14 minutes, starting now.
We'll come back and when there was ready and you'll see what we got and we'll do a taste test. I heard the timer,
Yeah.
not from Google, but from Amazon Alexa. Thank you. All right, didn't talk.
Absolutely. Happy to help.
You know what? And you are helpful. Sting gloves on. We're going to get out these cookies and we're going to try them out.
Yeah.
All right? Oh, look at that. Golden brown and crispy looking, and hopefully ooey gooey on the inside. Okay, we're back. Oh, look what we have here, everyone. It's time for the taste test, the best part of the show. Why don't you pick one?
This one?
This one right here? All right. Now, look at this, everyone. Crispy on the outside, ooey gooey on the inside. All right. We're going to take we're going to eat it and see what we think. Mmm. It just hits you right there. 10 out of 10 from me. These are perfect.
10.
How do these compare to the ones you made in, what did you call that class?
Facts.
Facts. The facts of life.
There's a place you gotta go for learning all you ought to know about the facts of life. The facts of life.
Have you ever seen the facts of life?
Nope.
Okay. Well, how do these compare? Like, if those were, what number would you have given those out of 10?
Like an 8.
And this is a 10?
Yeah.
So those were still an 8.
Yeah.
All right, well, I want to thank everyone who watched today's video. Remember, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. Also, please subscribe. We have recently passed over 800 subscriptions. Unbelievable. So if you could please subscribe. And then, what I never tell anyone to do, there's a little bell.
You gotta hit it.
You gotta hit that bell, because that means as soon as there's a new video, you get alerted. And remember to please drop a comment below. And I decide I'll have a question every time, so maybe more people will do it. What is your favorite type of cookie? Yours?
Chocolate chips.
So am I! But if yours is chocolate chip, let us know down below, or give us a comment, let us know what you think of the show. And I think we're done here. I think it's time to eat more of these and go watch some baseball.
Yeah.
All right.
What are you doing?
Why is it in another room now? Hey Google, stop timer.
Scam.
Oh.
Into the bowl.
Oh. What are you doing?
You just fell.
Oh shit.